Amapolisa aseRhawutini avule ityala lokubulala emva kokuba abantu abasixhenxe batshiswe babhubha kwiziganeko ezibini ezahlukeneyo eDiepsloot ngempelaveki. Ngokwengxelo zamapolisa, izidumbu ezibini zifunyenwe ziqunquluze ezitalatweni extension 13, ngelixa ezinye izidumbu ezihlanu zifunyene kamva extension 12. Isithethi samapolisa uLieutenant Colonel Mavela Masondo uthi uphando lokuqala lubonisa ukuba onke amaxhoba ahlaselwe phambi kokuba atshiswe.
13 ka Labohlano bosiu mme kgabareng ba fumana ntlha e nngwe hape ya hore ditopo tse ding tse hlano di fumanehile tikolohong ya Diepsloot extension 12 mesong ya ka Moqebelo. Moedi wa sepolesa leng Lieutenant Colonel Mavela Masondo o bolela ha ho tswelletseng dipatlisiso diphetho tsa ka mora lefu di utullotse hore ditopo tsena tse supileng ka palo di ile tsa otlwa pele di hotetswa.
On Friday at approximately 11 o'clock in the evening, police received information about two bodies that were lying in the street in Diepsloot extension 13. Upon arrival at the scene, police discovered the bodies of two males who were burnt. Both victims were certified dead on the scene. A few hours later, information was received about other 5 bodies that were lying in Diepsloot extension 12. Police proceeded to the scene and found 5 bodies that were also burnt. They were also declared dead on the scene. Preliminary investigation suggests that in both incidents, the victims were assaulted and burnt by the mob.
Masondo o boletse ha jwale ho iso hlake hore bafu ba hlasetswe ke mang le ka tlasa mabaka afeng, le ha ba belaela hore e kabe e le ketsahalo ya ho hlaselwa ke baahi. Ditabeng tsa Soweto TV ke Manini Morolo.